I accept this done through the power of God. I am, and so it is. The following violet flame mantra can be repeated either aloud or in the silence of my heart as I go about the business of my daily life. Transmute, transmute by the violet fire, all causes and cores not of God's desire. I am a being of cause alone. That cause is love, the sacred tone. Transmute, transmute by violet fire, all causes and cores not of God's desire. I am a being of cause alone. That cause is love, the sacred tone. Transmute, transmute by violet fire, all causes and cores not of God's desire. I am a being of cause alone. That cause is love, the sacred tone. I am a force of the violet fire. I am a force of the violet fire more powerful than any human miscreation. I am inbreathing the fifth dimensional violet flame of limitless transmutation into my heart center, and I breathe it out through my heart chakra into the core of every person, place, condition, or thing in my life, conscious or unconscious, past or present, through obvious choice or through karmic liability. As this sacred fire floods the earth, the violet flame transmutes every electron of precious life energy that conflicts with the perfection within the 12 solar aspects of deity. The violet fire is loving every point of my universe free. I am free. I am free. I am eternally free. And so it is. I am the joy of forgiveness. I am flooding my being and every single etheric record since the beginning of time with the joyful experience of divine forgiveness. In forgiving, I let go of all of the effects of misused energy impinging on my life and the lives of all humanity. I let go of the ignorance, confusion, and pain of this world. I now know I have come to love life free, and so I shall. This is the heart center of my existence, the joy of forgiving life as it enters my awareness. From this moment forth, I am setting all life free into a higher vibration with the gift of forgiveness that my Father, Mother, God have given so freely into my keeping. I am a force of the violet flame of forgiveness flooding this sweet earth. I am the joy of forgiveness. I am the joy of forgiveness. I am the joy of forgiveness. The violet fire of freedom's love. In the name and by the power and authority of the presence of God, I am. I invoke the beings of light in the realms of illumined truth to blaze the violet fire with the power and might of 1,000 suns, in, through, and around every electron that makes up the atoms of humanity's physical, etheric, mental, and emotional bodies. Hold the violet flame sustained and double it each hour until these earthly vehicles are fully assimilated into the perfection of our solar light bodies. Expand, expand, and intensify daily the mightiest action of the violet fire in, through, and around all nations, races, cultures, creeds, religions in every country of the world. Blaze the violet flame through every person's home, place of occupation, and overall environment until the perfection of the divine plan manifests for all life. I accept this done. Through the power of God, I am, and so it is. The following violet flame mantra can be repeated either aloud or in the silence of my heart as I go about the business of my daily life. Transmute, transmute by the violet fire.